earlier this year, I decided to stop wearing my Apple Watch, and I have to say that I do not miss it all that much. I've had the Apple Watch Series 4 since it first came out back 4 years ago, and it was a birthday gift to myself. At the time, I thought the Apple Watch was pretty cool because I can receive my text messages, I can control my music, a whole bunch of other Apple integrations. But as the Series 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 came out, I became disenchanted with the Apple Watch because I have not seen a reason to upgrade to any of the newer versions because my usage would not change. I really started getting use out of the Apple Watch during the pandemic when I started to exercise a bit more, and I found out that the Apple Watch was actually pretty good in getting you to exercise, getting that motivation for you to exercise. I love the way that it gamifies exercising, and it's really, really good. However, as I became more consistent in exercising, I stopped wearing my Apple Watch for a few workout routines. Ultimately, I decided this year to forget about the Apple Watch because I am already at a point where I exercise every day. I do not need the Apple Watch to tell me to exercise. Another reason why I stopped wearing my Apple Watch is because of the performance. Now, this kind of contradicts my previous point about not seeing the point in upgrading to a newer model, but when you only use it for exercising and controlling your music and getting notifications, it really shouldn't restart all the time, which is something that I've experienced a lot, especially this past year. And it really became annoying to the point where if I decide to exercise and I'm attempting to log an exercise routine, I just found out that my watch either lost power or is rebooting constantly. And I know that this could potentially be solved if I replace the battery, but at that point, I was just over the Apple Watch. The new software additions to the Apple Watch also didn't make me feel like it's worth upgrading because they were becoming very small throughout the years. Quite frankly, it's not really Apple's fault because there's only so much you can do with an Apple Watch. And now it's gotten to a point where they've added live activities to it. I don't care, to be honest. And I think it also speaks to a point where I'm maturing in the way I view technology. I no longer care about getting the latest and greatest as long as it works consistently. And I know that the older my devices are, the more likely that I will have issues with them. But I don't see the point in upgrading every single year for small software features, especially if your usage will not change. That is not to say that the Apple Watch is a bad product. I don't see the need for it. There are times where I do miss getting the notifications on my wrist without having to unlock my phone, but I've quickly gotten over that as well. My opinion on the Apple Watch is that if you are wanting to take better care of yourself, if you're wanting to exercise more, then it's not a bad investment for you to get started. The Apple Watch makes exercising fun, and if you even pair it with Apple Fitness Plus, then you're probably going to get a lot more benefits from it. I believe that once you've gotten to a point where you are exercising consistently, then you will probably be in the same boat as I am and not see the need to use it anymore. So those are my thoughts. What do you think about the Apple Watch? Do you still use your Apple Watch? Are you considering buying a new Apple Watch or buying an Apple Watch for the first time? Let me know in the comments. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.